So in this question we have this element. We have to add HgSO4 in water, and we have to find what product we will get from this. So this is the element. We will do hydration on alkaline on this and we will find this element. We know that this element is highly unstable, so we will do tautomerism to get a stable product. In tautomerism we basically shift the double bond to make it stable, so the hydrogen here will go here and the double bond will go here, so the final product is this. So correct option is fourth.